If you're watching this, you just scanned our handout at AUSA, and the timing couldn't be more critical. On November 8th, 2026, China will implement export controls on high-energy lithium-ion batteries with more than 300 watt-hours per kilogram, including lithium-ion battery manufacturing equipment and materials. That's the exact technology our defense and aerospace systems depend on. Here's the reality. The supply chain you've relied on just became a national security risk. I'm William Hadala, Chief Strategy Officer at American Lithium Energy. For over 20 years, we've powered mission-critical systems for the Department of War, NASA, and top defense contractors, from soldier-worn power to satellites. Now, we have scaled out with our gigawatt-hour production with our domestic, made-in-USA mega factory. Zero Volt technology, SafeCore ballistic protection, 350 to 400 watt-hours per kilogram, and power cells that are capable of 100 times the capacity discharge rate in tens of seconds. We have secured an NDAA supply chain for all battery cell components and materials, all made in America. The question isn't if you'll need a domestic battery partner, it's when. Let's talk. My contact info is on the handout. Don't wait until your supply chain is the problem. Mission critical power made in America.